Okay, we're going to move on to part 2 here, and I want to talk about, there's two new features on Plugin Buddy that are really awesome. The malware scan and the server information. So the site we're working on is Reese Studios, and we're going to go over here and we'll take a look and see what this is all about. Okay, if we go down here to BackupBuddy on the left hand side and we do a malware scan, this is really cool and important because if you make a backup of your site without doing this first, you're going to have, if there are things embedded on your site, you're just going to back up all of that stuff as well. And as you see that there isn't any here. If there was, it's going to tell you where it's at and what to do about it. That's a fabulous option. A lot of times people put malicious code on your website. I have a video somewhere on my website on the free videos that show you how to change your salt keys to add a little bit more security to your WordPress website. But now let's look at the server information. Now if you were running ServerBuddy, which is a free plugin, this replaces that. And what this tells you is if you're having any problems on your server. Green is good, yellow is okay, and if you have red, you're definitely going to want to get in touch with your hosting service and see what you can do about that. But it gives you all kinds of information. Some of the stuff you don't want to mess with, like the cron. I don't mess with any of this. Don't delete any of this because you'll break your website. But this tells you your database tables and how much size everything is taking up. So if you have any problems on your server, this is going to tell you that, and you can also do the malware scan. There's one other thing I wanted to show you the difference between a database only backup and a full backup. And what this has to do with is file sizes. Now, there's different information in each one of these. All of your posts, all of your text content and stuff like that is stored in a database, okay? So when you do a database only backup, that's the only things that are getting backed up. Your photographs, your themes, your plugins, all of that type of stuff is located in different folders. So when you do a full backup, it's going to include all that. Now we've done a full backup, and you see it's 6.9 megabytes here. Let's do a database only backup, and I'll show you the difference in the file sizes here. It'll take a second for it to do it. Okay, let's go back to the backup page. Okay, as you see, this is only 88 KB. Big difference in file sizes there. In a later video, I'm going to talk about scheduling as well, where you don't have to manually do this. You can set a schedule to back up your database or a full backup. A full backup is really good. I use that when I'm transferring a site. I don't always do that, but I do schedule database backups, and this saves all of your content. So those are really two great features that are on the latest version of BackupBuddy that I wanted to go over. And in the next video, we will go over scheduling. I wanted to let everybody else know, I just started a newsletter. I haven't done this before. I guess you're supposed to when you're marketing, but I'm going to have special information and reviews and stuff like that. It's a monthly newsletter. So if you click the link below this video, it will take you to the post where this is located on. You can download BackupBuddy, and you can also subscribe to my email mailing list. All right, we will talk about backup schedules next. Thanks.